Mga katapo sila sa nagkalain-lain nga national football team nga nag-unite para mabalik ang title championship sa Negros. Sa pagpanguna sang American-Japanese midfielder kag British-Filipino team captain, mission nila nga mapabilin ang legacy sang Loyola FC Victorias. Aton sila kilalahon sa sining episode sang Bida sang Liga. Ang mangin isa ka teacher ay isa sa mga luyag sang 23 anyos nga football sensation nga si Leon Morimoto kung wala siya naghampang sang soccer. Gani kada mayara sang football clinic. Kaupod ang Loyola FC Victorias, hands-on sa pagtudlo sa mga potential football stars ang American-Japanese midfielders ang team.
Okay, so it's a dribble, let's also work on the pass, right? Let's get it to our teammate. Look up, inside of the foot, get it to your ready, go!
I think the most important thing is they have fun, you know. I think you have to have love for the game before anything else. I don't think forcing anything is very healthy. So first of all, I think they should have fun and just enjoy playing, play as much as possible. Make a lot of friends, be in the community, be healthy, and little by little, I think they're gonna learn steps to become better players, right?
Si Leon isa sa mga standouts ng Team Loyola FC Victorias na naghahandom nga mabalik ang title championship para sa mga Negrense fans. Kabahin siya sa National Football Squad sang Guam na napili maghampang karon para sa mga Negrense. Sa iya nga pagbisita sa Victoria City para sa ginhiwat nga football clinic, iya ginpahayag ang excitement na makahampang para sa syudad kag sa Negros.
We're here to, inspire players and inspire people and just make sure, everyone's having a, great time. So I'm very excited. I think, we have a lot, like Kurt said, we have a lot of things to live up to. So we want to make a lot of people proud.
Pareho ni Leon, nahibaluan ni team captain Kurt Dison kung ano kabugat ang pressure para makahatag sang bugal sa mga Negrense fans. Ang British-Filipino winger ang naging kabahin sadto sang Ceres Negros FC nga makapila naman ka beses nga nagkampiyon sa Philippine Football League. Nalakip siya sa national football team sang Pilipinas nga nag-unite upod sa pila pa ka mga international kag national football booters para mapadayon ang legasiya sang Loyola FC Victorias.
From experiencing it, I know there's a lot of pressure that comes with it because the fans are unbelievable. Like I haven't seen anything like that outside of the Philippines, and so I'm hoping that we can get that back at this club and we can build something great again because that was amazing to see. So yeah, big things to live up to for sure.
Mabudlay man ang mga pagpanghangkat nga naatubang karon sang team sa pagsugod sang PFL 2025 season, pero porsigido ang coaching staff sa pagpanguna ni Coach Roxy Dorlas nga mahatag ang ila masarangan para sa kadalagan sang team.
First of all, we had a challenging start. Now with the team being from very late, we lost some points in the in the start of the season. But then the chemistry started to build and we started to go up our rankings. I think we ended up for the remaining games. We were looking to finish strong and see if we can qualify for the top 4.
Kaupon nanday Leon kag Kurt ang bago nila nga mga recruits nga sanday Kazu Sudo, Koki Narita, Okamoto Natsu, Eugene Arreola, Maki Tobias, Tars Garciano, Shane Salino kag ang 23 anyos nga Filipino-Canadian fullback nga si Aaron Vasquez.
Especially in the city, knowing that this is one of the top footballing capitals in the Philippines. It's obviously someone from Canada. I've always wanted to play in the Philippines and especially grow the sport as well. So knowing that Victorias is like a really foundational part about that is definitely something that we all want to really perform our best in. And definitely just make sure that whenever I step out into the pitch, just to give my 110%, not just for myself, but for the community as well.
For me, I think biggest challenge I've faced so far is the jump from UAAP amateur scene to the professional scene. I mean, I grew up watching this guy right here, so very very overwhelmed with the atmosphere of the PFL. It was my dream to play in the PFL, so coming from the amateur scene to the pro league is one of the biggest challenges I had to face. And
Wala labot sang bago nga mga players kag bago nga team partner paagi sa Victorias LGU, may bago man nga home court ang team sa Victoria City football pitch sa sunod lang sang Victoria City National High School.
We do that in the next season. I think if there are 10 teams, 9 games will be played in the home court. So we hope to have that by next season.
Currently ranked sa 7th spot ang Loyola FC Victorias. Hindi man mahapos ang ilang journey pero dako ang pagpati ni club owner Keith Boyko nga sa dalayon malabot nila ang ginahandom nga championship upod sa syudad kag mga Negrense.
This is a journey. This is not a one-season thing. We hope to give more to the community, and of course, we want to invite all the other football fans and supporters to help us in this journey. And
Isa man sa ginapaabot sang team nga makadugang sang local player sa ilang nga rooster. Ginsuportahan ini ni Victoria City Mayor Javi Benitas sa tuyo nga mas mapasanyog pa ang sports development program kag sa handom nga mangin isa ka international sports hub ang Victorias sa Western Visayas.
Time out kita na sa mga issue kag problema. Kag saksihan nato na mga highlights kag maaksyon yung mga pahampang pati na mga istorya sa mga paghimakas kag kadalanan sa aton nga mga lokal nga atleta kag mga legends sa sports. Dili lang kundi all out ang aton mga bida sa liga.